And even though you face disappointments, you have to know within yourself that I can do this. Even if no one else sees it for me, I must see it for myself.
Good morning, guys. My name is Chris. I'm from Greece. Yes, it makes a rhyme. And this is my first video of my YouTube channel, Christopher Samifit. Yeah, very fit. So the first video is gonna be about well, first things first, I'm gonna try and speak English, not Greek, in order to, you know, English. Yeah, I'm trying too much with my accent. English is just a public language, everyone understands it. So first video is my story is that 2 years ago I was you can always see the video. I have some previous videos of my transformation. I was 133 kilograms. After a big effort, I went down to 78 kilograms with not so much of proper nutrition, but pretty much I wasn't eating and I was running a lot. And then I got involved with the magical world of fitness and bodybuilding. Now I'm standing at 88 kilograms. After 2 years I lost the weight, and I can say that I'm in love with what I do. Of course it's for my pleasure and for myself. But let's go to the video. The reason of the video. The reason of the video is that just today just came in the order I made from Myprotein. I always support Myprotein because I believe it like I like it like a company, what it offers, what it stands for. I love the logo, fuel your ambition. So let's go to the unboxing and let's see what I took and why. First things first, for all the fitness lovers out there, you cannot be a part of fitness community without eating peanut butter. So peanut butter, 30 grams of protein out of 100 G's, and fiber. I don't like fiber too much because, you know, it's too much gash. This one is the same, but it is crunchy. The other one was smooth. And last but not least, one more smooth. We have 3 kilos of peanut butter. Next thing, lately my squat is improving, and I think that one of the major lifts that I'm good at is squat, because I was fat and I had this the most of my weight, the obesity, I don't know what to, excuse me for my mistakes, I think you understand, was in my hips and my glutes. I don't know, it's so stupid accent, the one I have, because I'm trying to make the accent and I can't. So yes, we have the Myprotein Fuel Your Ambition. God, I love this. Fuel Your Ambition. Yeah, you got it. Knee wraps in order to support my knees, because I'm going heavier and I like that. Next, we have 1 kilogram or 2.2 libras of L-glutamine. You can see that. L-glutamine, essential for recovery and for the immune system. I always include it, even though now I'm bulking, or how do you say it, I don't know. Pretty much year-round glutamine. It's cheap, effective, why not? Next we have BCAA's raspberry lemonade powder. Great thing to add pre-workout, post-workout, and why not into your workout while you're working out. This is like half a kilo. I'm expecting 1 more kilo coming maybe tomorrow, and of course I have this 1 box. I'm waiting for another 10 kilos of whey, impact whey, and 10 kilos of dextrose. It's an order I made to last me for 4 months, 3-4 months, I don't know, pretty much it. Impact whey, it's unflavored, and let's go to why I took unflavored. Because I like mixing it with different flavors. We have chocolate nut, which is one of my favorites, because it reminds me of, you know, the chocolate Ferrero Rocher. I don't know what the accent is, French, English, I don't know. Then we have pretty much the basic chocolate smooth, and then I got this, excuse me, I'm not gonna pronounce it or even say it because I don't know, I'm gonna mess it up and you're gonna laugh with me, but I think it says rhubarb and custard, I think, flavoring, okay, which is like strawberry, I think. I've never tasted, but you gotta trust Simeon Panda, because he's one of the guys I look up to, and he says it's good. Then we have a little more L-glutamine, half a kilo more. We said L-glutamine essential for immune system and recovery. Then we have the tingle thing I say, which is, you can see, beta alanine, I don't know, 250 Gs. I included pre-workout and post-workout. Then, what's that? Oh yeah, we have 1 kilo of the best supplement, in my opinion, which is on the planet, and it's the only supplement that it's proven to work, I think, which is creatine monohydrate. Crapshoot, because it's the best, as they say to America. In America, I don't know. So, Crapshoot, and then, of course, you know what creatine does, okay? Then, what else? We have a huge blender bottle shaker, Myprotein, fuel your ambition, Smart Shake V2 Lite. I don't know if you can see it, which is 1 liter capacity. It's like 32 ounces. I felt we have that here. Don't have more space to put it. Then we have ZMA, because they say it works, and zinc and magnesium are essential for long-term later tingling and numbness. I don't know. I trust it. I like it. I take it 30 minutes before I sleep on an empty stomach or without calcium. Then we have, because it's winter and we don't want to get sick, and because you don't want to get sick, you have to take your vitamin C with biflavonoids and rose hip. I didn't say it loud because you're gonna laugh with me. Vitamin C. Gotta love this stuff. 1G per tablet, 180 tablets. The health group. Take it, love it, every day. Then we have essential fatty acids, omega 3,6 vitamins. You know what this does. It's essential fatty acids may reduce cholesterol, supports cardiovascular health. 1 to 3 soft gels per day. More omega 3s. And this is pretty much it. It sums it up. We have flavor drops, liquid flavoring, chocolate, peanut butter, because you gotta love peanut butter. Focus, focus, don't focus. And we have white chocolate, because you gotta love chocolate. And last but not least, a free sample of Impact Whey Protein, their best selling protein of Myprotein, 25 Gs, choc smooth. Gonna use it. Gotta love protein, you know. So guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you know this is what they do now. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Yes. You know, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do that. I wasn't sure if I wanted to start a YouTube channel, because you know there's always that voice in your mind that tells you that you aren't gonna have subscribers, you are going to get judged by others, but this is what life is. And if I can say something in order to close the video, because it's been too long. The first lesson I learned from all these years, I was obese and I was getting mocked. You know, look at the fat guy right there, and the fat guy, and the fat guy. You gotta stop thinking about what others may say of you. You gotta find something that makes you happy, grab it, love it, never let it go. So, thank you for watching me. This is Chris from Greece. Or, no Chris, I'm Christopher from Greece. I have to say my name clear, because in the next videos, if I make next videos, I'm gonna tell you something about a friend of mine. His name is Chris, and he's from Greece, and he's starting something very innovative, and I think I started this in order to support him, and not being the only one who's gonna get mocked on and judged on here in Greece, because what we do is something very innovative, and you know, every time innovative things are getting judged, and we are not a very progressive country in the aspect of fitness and bodybuilding and what we do. His name is Chris, and he's starting something great, something called Chris Fit. You got to follow him, Facebook. First things first, I'm gonna put in the video my Instagram and my Facebook, and then I'm gonna put Chris's Facebook and Instagram in order to follow him. He's a really great guy. He comes from CrossFit. I think he was involved with CrossFit for 4 or 5 years, I don't know, and now he made his turn to this fitness aspect of life and bodybuilding. And as we both prepare for our first show, which I don't know when it's gonna be, but I made a promise to myself in order to compete in 2016 in the physique, physique. I'm not gonna say anything more. Thank you for watching me. Thumbs up, you know what they do, and haters gonna hate. Bye guys, thank you for watching.
No matter how bad it is or how bad it gets, I'm going to make it.
I want to represent an idea. I want to represent possibilities.